In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DocHub. DocHub is a handy online tool for working with PDFs and other documents right in your browser. It's especially useful when you need to make quick edits, add notes, sign paperwork, or send a file out for someone else to sign. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the core workflow so you can confidently upload a document, make changes, mark it up, and then save or share the finished version. To get started, upload your document to DocHub. You can do this by dragging and dropping a PDF from your computer directly into the platform, which is usually the fastest option. If your file is stored online, you can also import it straight from Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox. That makes it easy to work across devices or pull in documents from wherever you normally store them. Once the file is open, you can begin editing. If you need to remove existing text, use the whiteout tool. This lets you cover or erase text that you don't want to appear in the final version. After that, switch to the text tool, which is represented by a capital A icon, and type the new information directly over the area you just cleared. This is a simple way to update names, dates, labels, or other text without needing the original editable file. As you do this, try to align the new text cleanly so the document still looks polished and professional. If your document has multiple pages, you can also organize them inside DocHub. Open the page manager using the grid icon on the left sidebar. From there, you can drag pages into a new order, delete pages you no longer need, or rotate pages that were scanned sideways or upside down. This is especially helpful for combining or cleaning up documents before sending them to someone else. After editing the content, you may want to annotate or mark up the file. For highlighting, select the highlight tool, which looks like a marker. You can use it to emphasize important lines or sections of text, and color coding can make a document easier to review, especially if multiple items need attention. Highlights are great for drawing focus without changing the original wording. You can also add shapes using the Shape tool. This allows you to place arrows, rectangles, or circles onto the page to point out specific areas. Shapes are useful when you want to direct someone's attention to a field, signature line, error, or important detail. Combined with highlights, they can make your feedback much clearer. If you need to leave more detailed feedback, use the comment tool, shown as a speech bubble icon. This lets you drop sticky note-style comments onto the document for reviewers or collaborators. Comments are ideal when a visual mark alone isn't enough, and you want to explain what needs to be checked, changed, or approved. When you're ready to sign the document yourself, click the Sign button on the toolbar, then choose Create Signature. You'll usually have the option to draw or type your name and turn it into a reusable signature. Once it's created, place it onto the document where needed. This is one of the quickest ways to finalize forms, agreements, or approvals without printing anything out. If someone else needs to sign the file, go to Manage Fields on the left panel, then add recipient email addresses under Manage Signers. After that, drag and drop a signature field onto the page where each person needs to sign. This helps ensure the document is properly prepared before it's sent out, and it makes the signing process more straightforward for recipients. Once everything is edited, marked up, and signed, click Download or Export in the top right corner. From there, you can save the finished document back to your computer or send it to your preferred cloud storage service. That final step makes it easy to keep a clean copy for your records or share the updated version with others. And that's how to use DocHub to upload, edit, annotate, sign, and save your documents efficiently.